Well, this is what it looks like so far. Now the bottom set is all taped together, but these up here still have to be taped, and then those up here. Then we're going to cover the whole thing with material, and then we'll put horses on it. Okay? And here's my refridge. That's that side, and there's pussycats up top. And then around the front, let's sneak around here. See, I covered the actual where your water and ice cube dispenser is, covered them with some cards. And then over here we got a horse race going, and other things. Okay, and we're gonna sneak around this side, and there's that side. I can't hardly see in this viewfinder, so I gotta stop.